In this video, I am snowboarding down a blue trail, practicing buttering skills on my snowboard such as ground spins and tail butters. My friend Jeff is filming me with my GoPro. It's fun to spin around on your snowboard, whether on the ground or with a little hop. I'm practicing various ground spins including 180 degrees, 270s, and 360s. You can do them frontside or backside, with or without a hop. With a 180 degree spin, you need to make sure that you can right away switch. With a 270 degree spin, I try to lean my weight down on my tail, do a 90 degree board slide on the snow to slow me down, and then I spin on my back foot to generate a 270 degree spin, which is, 3/4 of a turn. A 360 degree spin is really two 180 spins together. So you can spin on your front end or your tail end by leaning on that foot more. I'd like to get good enough so that I can do these spins with a small hop or spin off side hits and jumps. Buttering and ground spins are great skills to learn on a snowboard. There is low risk of hurting yourself, unlike with a huge jump. They make the ride down the mountain so much fun because you're always doing something. You can shift your weight backwards or forwards, you can use different edges, you spin around with different degrees, and you perform little hops in the air, so I like it a lot. It breaks up the monotony of just going down the mountain as fast as you can. When buttering or ground spinning, it's important to make sure that the edge that is above the slope or behind you relative to your movement is always in contact with the snow. Otherwise, you can catch the front edge and fall. Also, make sure you look around to avoid colliding with other people who are near you, above or below you on the mountain. You never know what they're going to do, and they might not be used to the aggressive turns that you might be taking. The great thing about having my friend film me is that I can watch this video to see my form and find out which skills I'm doing well and which skills I need to improve on. Thanks, Jeff, for doing that. I'm at Ragged Mountain on the Flying Yankee Trail, which is a blue trail. You'll love it if you're here. If you've ever been to Ragged Mountain before, please share any tips in the comments. I'm using a Burton Custom X Flying V snowboard. I hope you liked this video. If you have any tips for any buttering or spin moves, please leave them in the comments below. I'm just learning and would love any constructive criticism. Please click like, comment, or subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. I have other snowboarding and other action videos on my channel. Thanks.